here from Green Rhino, doing a commercial job today. Me and Aaron just went we vacuumed the whole place. He took one. We started at one end, and I started the other, met in the middle. So kind of get that vacuuming done. So as you can notice, there's a it's a mechanic type place. So it's just oil and stuff. So I'm gonna use a citrus paste cleaner. Do good agitation on it, and it should be good. This is the second time doing it. I did this probably about a year ago, so I've been keeping good care of it, looks like, I'm considering. So today I'll be using carpet detail. Already have it mixed up. I do have the citrus mixed up in a separate. Alright, and I'll be using a 175 Oric. I do have the big brush here. I'll probably slap that on there to get some good agitation. I like the big black brush on commercial carpet. And go from there, alright? So, yes, today we're suited up. Got the protection on here to protect. They're not too concerned about it, but you know, it's just an extra safety during these times. To protect them and make them feel more secure by having people in their business cleaning. So, alright, well, stay tuned. Pre-scrubbing, green brush for it. This one's not that bad. Yeah. Oops. Careful with that cord. One-handed, guys. Oops. Oh man, they're bragging. good. These things clean really good. I think the best, but they don't last too long. You can get those from, if I can remember, Pro Scion website. They sell those. So I'm gonna go to this right here. Brand new one. And we've already pre-sprayed this. We're doing sections. So we pre-sprayed. He's going ahead and working ahead of me with the aura. And I'm gonna go follow him with the pad. So we're doing the sections because they got the heat on here, and I don't want the carpet dry. Alright, so you can tell all those stains are gone. Nice. Scrub that in front of the door really good.
Yeah, I want to run that door.
So it took about an hour and a half. Waiting on payment right now, but took about an hour and a half. Me and Aaron. It probably would have took me about 2 hours, 2.5 by myself. So yeah. All right. So we're heading off to another job. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Out here in the country, doing 6 areas. Carpets, just cleaning. I mean, the carpets are not in bad condition. I do smell a little funk, but maybe they had pets. Yeah, there's a stain right there. Other than that, carpets don't look bad condition. I think there's a few spots I'm gonna have to hit the use a 20 volume. And instead of doing it, because it's got a musty smell, I might use some orange citrus to kind of give it a little bit of smell good spell. Because they didn't ask for any deodorization or anything. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna use Undoes It for these spots because there is kind of a smell, not real bad, but slight. Undoes It. It has a odor killer, eliminates odor as well as get rid of the stain. So we decided to go ahead and do a deodorizer through the house. I did talk to the property management. They said do what you need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up. We're gonna do it's between 4 to 8 ounces, a gallon on this. I'm gonna do about 6 ounces, and spray the house. This is a 2-ounce scooper. I guess you don't need to see me do all this, but I did get the old thing I seen from Washington Pro. He was using this and recommended it, so I went and bought one. Love it. So that's what I'm gonna fill my pop-up spray with. Because you know these things, a lot of times you can't get these in the sink, so this is a great way to do that. All right. So I already put down the deodorizer first. That needs to dwell for 10 minutes. Yeah. So we did that, now we're adding the pre-spray. Agitate and extract. Those are the lines from the pre-scrub. It up. Carpets came out looking good and smelling good. Now I gotta get around there and turn off those lights and go around the front. We're putting a lock box on here for them before we leave. But yeah, looks and smells a lot better. Alright, that's it for this job. Do this right along. We'll see you in the next one. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next video.